Ever heard of the 80-20 rule? Pareto analysis is a simple way to identify the most important factors in any financial or business problem. The core concept is that roughly 80% of consequences come from just 20% of the causes. It highlights that not all efforts yield equal results. Focusing on the vital few inputs can lead to much better outcomes. To use this, list out your tasks or expenses, rank them by impact, and double down on the ones that move the needle most. Unlike a standard to-do list that treats all tasks as equal, Pareto analysis forces you to identify where your effort is best spent. This chart shows the disproportionate impact. By targeting that top 20%, you achieve most of your results with far less wasted energy. The takeaway is simple. Use this tool to stop busy work and start focusing on the high-leverage activities that actually build your wealth. Apply the 80-20 rule to your own budget or savings strategy this week. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money basics.